Life hacks only smart people know. Let's see how many you know. 1. Cross 2 hangers to dry clothes. No matter how strong the wind is, they won't fly away. 2. Place a thread on a piece of paper. Fold the paper diagonally. Use this method to thread a needle. Even the smallest eye can be threaded easily. 3. Insert a chopstick into a lemon. Twist it like wringing a towel. This way you get more fresh lemon juice. 4. When you pour milk into another cup, it always leaves a mess. It's so frustrating. Just place a spoon on the edge of the cup. It'll pour smoothly without dripping. 5. Am I the last to know this? Even short lanyards can be easily threaded through. Removing a key from a keychain is just as simple. 6. Didn't finish your Coke? Squeeze the bottle until the liquid reaches the top, then cap it tightly. It keeps its original fizz. 7. Don't waste unfinished beer. Just fill the half-full bottle completely. Cover the mouth with tissue. Slide down to seal it tightly. Even turned upside down, it won't leak. 8. Potatoes and apples are a perfect match. The scent from apples keeps potatoes sprout-free for 6 months. 9. Insert a fork into the shrimp shell edge. You can easily remove a whole shrimp. 10. Cut off the shrimp head. Pinch with your fingers. Pull gently, and the vein comes right out. 11. Use water pressure to vacuum seal food. 12. Fold the top of a seasoning pack. Heat it with a lighter to reseal easily and prevent moisture. 13. Can't finish all the snacks? Cut the bag twice with scissors, then start folding. Fold 2 or 3 times. Use the cut piece to cover the bag. Now it's perfectly sealed. 14. Use a magic knot to seal grain bags. It's super simple. To open, just pull the string. Done in a second. 15. Learned this from a cafeteria lady. Lift the center of the plastic bag. Tie a knot at the front. Then tie one at the back. No matter how you carry it, it won't come loose. Even upside down, it won't leak. 16. No boyfriend to open a can? Do it like this. Rotate the pull tab halfway, then pull. Easily opens without hurting your nails. 17. The correct way to open a takeout lid. Run a chopstick halfway around the edge. Lift it up, opens easily. Simple and clean. 18. Bananas go bad after a few days. First, wash off the ripening agents with clean water, then dry them with a tissue. Wrap the stem with a wet paper towel. This reduces ethylene release. They'll last for 2 weeks. 19. Rice gets infested over time. Put star anise and ginger in a mask. Tie it and place it in the rice. Bugs won't come near. 20. Can't finish a whole watermelon? Bacteria may grow. Put in 2 garlic cloves. Wrap with plastic wrap. Store in the fridge for a week. It won't spoil. Save this if you haven't learned it all, so you can come back to learn later.